Well, hello there. This is Rahlly from Corez.io, and today we're going to be talking about some shortlinks. So this is Fiora. They have a lot of pop-ups, so don't mind them. And there are some that are an extreme pain in the booty. So we're gonna go with one of the easy ones. It's called Easy for Short. And I'll pop up something here. You can shut that. Easy for short. You gotta wait for to pop up the actual site, which this looks like another pop up. E for short. Come here. Okay, maybe that's it. Oops. So this one, if you have Brave, it's gonna be really easy because you just go that, or if you have your shields up on Brave, it'll go like this fast. So boom, 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 done. Then you wait a few seconds, and let's get bad. Boom, you get your 5 BTC Satoshi that has been added to your balance. And I use this one a lot for like the advertise button. But you can, if you're out of the United States or anywhere that can use Faucet Pay, you can send this to your wallet. But I cannot since I'm in the United States. So there's one more I'll show you again. This is called Claim TRX, which is almost exactly the same site. So easy for short. We'll go there. Yeah, I think that's it. Go here. Same old thing. Click to continue, and you can just speed through it. And I have this one on my website. So this is why I'm just demonstrating this one first. If you do take off your shields, it's another story. I'll show you an example here in a second. So boom, got the 2 million or 200,000 Satoshis. And those are just, for me, they're just points to advertise with. So we'll go back, or no, we'll stay here either way, and go to Shortlinks. And we'll pick one that's not so easy. And I mean, if you take the shields off, you're just going to get swarmed by ads. So you have to like swim your way through a field full of ads. It's kind of lame. But at the same time, you get a lot of points. I like this one, but it does get kind of ad heavy even with the shields on. I think some of them will make you take your shields off. So if it doesn't, cool. If it does, then ad blocker detected. So it's going to make me do it without it. I don't like those ones as much, because they have the technology to go behind your blockers. So USA Link, I know I can do this one. It's fairly easy. Do a CAPTCHA, continue. And the way you'll score points on my site is when you finish it, it'll give me like a notice and it'll auto send you CRZ Corez, my native currency. This is paying me out in their native currency, which is Bitcoin or Satoshis or whatever. And I don't even think it's really on the blockchain. It's just their points for their site, kind of like I have. So please click each image containing a chicken. Okay. Those are penguins and those are birds, I believe. So is that next? If I messed it up. Nope. Get link. Well, that one's pretty easy too, I believe, unless I'm about to get swarmed. So here's one ad popping up. Yeah, I have to take off my shields for this page because it wants you to do this whole gang of getting mobbed by ads. Good God, stop. And when you click, brings you to a new window. Just shut them off. They're not harmful or malicious ads that I've seen so far. I've never got a virus from it. Please hit the CAPTCHA. I was like, we're gonna find a CAPTCHA. Here you go. Bridges. All right, buddy, we did it. Let's go. Let's go. Click here to continue. It's kind of like a little maze of bullshit. BS, I'm sorry. So on this one, we have to wait 10 seconds. So it wants us to click ads to make that timer go. Because they get paid more. Anybody that does stuff like this, even faucet sites, they get paid more the more ads you click. So they kind of force you to, which is BS, but that's why you get paid for doing these. I mean, they get paid, you get paid, and that's just the way it is. No, I'm not trying to rip Tupac off, but you know, just in character, being a character. Okay, so waiting 10 seconds for this to pop up. Come on, man. Sometimes you gotta click that. I don't know. Or close the right ad. Come on, guy. Come on, buddy, old pal. I'm sorry, I'm kind of sick, so my voice isn't on point today. I don't know when it ever is, but today less than usual. So we got 3 seconds. Come on, keep going. Let's do this. Yeah. There you go. Should be able to click this little guy down here. And hopefully it's the last freaking one. Close. That should be it. Boom, we got our 200,000. 200,000. No, 2 million TRX Satoshi. Whatever that is. So that's all I had to show today. I'm going to be having this on my website soon. So y'all can get some CRZ and get that stacking more than what I have available. There's that Weeble offer though, and I encourage you to do it because it's legit, and I'll pay you $10 in Corez to do it, and you can cash out whenever you want. And just check with me to make sure I have the payment method so I can send it back to you. Because I have pretty much everything: Cash App, Venmo, Zelle, Messenger, and anything for the U.S. International, I can do Payoneer and PayPal. It just depends. So feel free to hit that offer, and I'll see you next time. It's Rahlly from Rotten Cores, you know what I'm saying? Peace.